Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. B, at, bat, op, mop, him, ot, not, at, can, is, his, ad, pad, job, job, lip, lip, ham. Good work. All right, let's get ready to roller coaster our words. The first word is pot. Pot. Wax. Axe. Hid. Id. Sad. Sad. Mom. Fit. It. Gas. Ass. Bit. It. Good. All right, we're going to segment phonemes. So I'll say the word, you repeat the word, and then we'll chop. Here we go. Fix. Ix. Van. Dot. Dot. Sat. At. Rip. Rip. Ham. Pop. Up. Hit. It. Good. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to substitute phonemes. The word is talk. Change t to r. Rock. The word is van. Change v to m. Man. The word is hill. Change h to p. Pill. The word is gob. Change g to j. Job. The word is mad. Change to sad. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. We'll say the ending part of the word, the rhyme, and then we'll add something to it to make a new word. The word is it. Add f to the beginning. Fit. The word is on. Add r to the beginning. Ron. The word is an. Add p to the beginning. Pan. The word is ip. Add h to the beginning. Hip. The word is at. Add to the beginning. Mat. Good. All right. Last exercise, deleting phonemes. We're going to remove the beginning sound to see what we're left with. The word is rim. Without r, the word is im. The word is bag. Without b, the word is ag. The word is hot. Without h, the word is ought. The word is will. Without w, the word is ill. The word is Sam. Without s, the word is am. Good job today.